Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn chapter number 3, Tux Paint of your computer subject. And here is a part 1 of this chapter. So, what is this Tux Paint? Tux Paint is one kind of drawing. Tux Paint is a one software of drawing. Okay, you can draw beautiful picture, use a ready-made tools and create a beautiful drawing in this software. So, you enjoy learning this software also. Okay, I will tell you in between that how you can download it in your computer or a laptop, because it is not available in your computer or laptop. You have to download it from Google. Okay, so let's begin it. Tux Paint. What is this Tux Paint? So, Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बोला ना, Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing painting programs, जैसे कि दूसरे programs होते हैं, Tux Paint has also so many, lots of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects. Funny animation and magical effects also be there in a Tux Paint, which makes it one of the best drawing software. जो इसे क्या बनाता है? बेस्ट ड्राइंग सॉफ्टवेयर बनाता है. ओके, here is a one fact file that who is the developer of Tux Paint program. Okay, so Bill Kendrick, you can see that picture of the Bill Kendrick, how he look like, the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. Now let us look at its unique feature. Tux Paint is a free software. You can download it without paying single rupee. You can download it from the internet, Google. Okay, no, it is a free software. This is the first week. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about it. It has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about this software. A large variety of tools help the children to create beautiful design. This is a one more function, that large variety of tools. You can able to see here the left side is a tool. ये जो है इसे हम tools बोलेंगे और ये है वो सब tools बोलेंगे. ठीक है. So large variety of tools help the children to create a beautiful designs. We can add personalized stamps to our drawing also. You can able to see on the screen personalized stamp, ready baby, orange, lychee, okay, banana, orange, strawberry, everything ready. We call it a stamp. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Stamp बोलेंगे. We can add this all ready stamp in our drawings. We finish it. Okay. Then afterward, funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. जब भी हम कोई tool select करेंगे, so it will play a funny sound effect. We can load and save image directly as a thumbnails without using any file name. Yes, you can save your drawing also, but it's saved directly as a thumbnail. You not need to give any file name to your drawing. Okay, this is one more function. Okay, now online link. Okay, I told you before that I will give you one online link from which you can download Tux Paint for your computer or a laptop. Let's see. Tux Paint is an award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. The program can be downloaded from www.tuxpaint.org. Note it down, students. Tux Paint. What is the link of it? What is the link of it? www.tuxpaint.org. Now let's learn that how to open Tux Paint. Click on a start button first of all. Choose all program. Look at the center screen which show you the video. पहले start button पे click करना है, then all program, and you can get the Tux Paint option there. Full screen or windowed, you can choose both of out of both things. You can choose any one. Full screen means the whole screen, you can see the Tux Paint screen only in your computer or laptop, and windowed means small screen you can see on your desktop. Okay, so choose Tux Paint window and you will now see the welcome screen of Tux Paint. This is a welcome screen of Tux Paint और इतनी छोटे से ही दिखेगी अगर आपने Tux Paint window open किया होगा. ठीक है. Now after welcome screen we will see opening screen of Tux Paint here. Now let's see. Here is a one more last thing that Tux Paint software works on all the version of Windows. किसी भी operating system में work करता है. ठीक है. Tux Paint can work in any version of Windows. Windows 95 through Windows 8. Okay. Mac OS X, Linux and other operating system. सभी operating system में Tux Paint work करता है. You can choose any operating system out of it. How to open Tux Paint? In that one, what is there on this window? So left hand side you can see that tools. There are 14 different tools available. How many? 14 different available. Okay. Colors is the palette where you can choose a different color. You can see downside. नीचे देखो यहाँ पे. Look at my pointer. This is a colors palette. Colors is the palette जहाँ से आप क्या चूज कर सकते हो? डिफरेंट कलर्स चूज कर सकते हो. ओके. कलर्स इज द पैलेट फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन चूज डिफरेंट कलर्स. ओके. द पेंगुइन इज योर फ्रेंड. डाउन साइड इज पेंगुइन. वन पेंगुइन इज देयर. She is your friend. Why? Because whatever the tool you choose, how to use it, it will tell to you. Downside here. ये देखो. Okay. Clear everyone? So penguin is your. It tells the proper method of using the selected tools. So we have 17 fixed color and one choice color. Okay, 17 fixed color is there and one choice to choose any color out of colors panel. Now sub toolbox. Okay, on the right hand side of the screen you can see the sub toolbox. What is this sub toolbox? So sub toolbox contains more option of a particular tool. Left toolbox में से look at this, the left tools. Okay, you can choose any tools from here. More options of that particular tool you can see here and it will be changed as per your selected tools from a left plate. Clear? Now let's see. Clicking the new button will display the color box and starters to start a new drawing. You can see that whenever you click on new, it will ask you that which type of background for drawing you want. Single white or red, green, any color you can choose. Starters is like a page from a coloring book. You can click on this blank arrow, white outline of a color with a drawing background colors. Okay, and here you can use anything of it. Now Tux Paint versus MS Paint. Here is a one quiz for you all. Does MS Paint have the features of playing various sounds when we select any tools? Search about it. क्या MS Paint के पास ऐसा कोई फीचर है जब हम कोई टूल सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो साउंड प्ले करेगा? ओके. No, it have not. Now the paint tool. Whenever we start Tux Paint, the paint tool is selected by default. Paint tool जो सबसे पहले है, the first one, paint tool. Okay, so it is already selected. And why we use it? So it is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to a brush tool in a MS Paint. We can use it to draw free hand image. मतलब आपको जैसे भी draw करना है any drawing with your hand you can draw it. So we can use it to draw free hand image or sketches as well as select various brush shapes present in its sub toolbox. Let us start drawing a scenery using a paint tool. अब Tux Paint में paint tool की help से हम एक scenery बनाते हैं. So let's see. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area and the shape of the pointer change from a hand to a point brush. जैसे कि हमने select किया brown color. Okay, and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. क्या draw करेंगे हम? Mountains draw करेंगे. Look at this. It's done. Right. Now choose the yellow color and draw a small sun behind it. अब क्या draw करो? sun draw karo behind any single mountain. Okay, now choose blue color and draw a wavy line for the river. Look at this, how I am drawing it. Kaise draw ho raha hai, look at this. So with the blue color I draw one what, river. Here is the one more. Let's know more fact that Photowork is an American company. It has developed a software using which you can convert your tux paint drawing into puzzle. Now let us learn a few things about the subtool box of the right side of the drawing canvas. Subtool box. The subtool box is a unique feature of tux paint. For every tool in a tux paint, we have many options of brush shapes, special effects in a subtool box. Okay, the second part, right hand side वाला box है उसे बोलेंगे subtool box. I choose from here paint tool, तो paint tool के जितने भी subtools होंगे वो right hand side में दिखेंगे. ठीक है? Now we can choose any brush shape from the subtool box present on the right hand side. Okay, we have more than 50 different shades but only a few are used. कुछ ही यूज़ हो सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं. जो ये आपको डार्क में दिख रहे हैं that all you can use it, but which is light one which we cannot use. Okay, few are used and few are used. Let us select different brush shapes and learn how to use them. Okay.